Welcome to our Pet Encounters. This is an interactive experience. This experience is for birthday parties, Christmas parties, any kind of events where you would like to have some live animals interacting with you. The snake is really interactive, loves people. Most people love him too. Axolotl, not so much. We do not touch her. She lives underwater all the time, so there's no actual hands-on touching, but if she can come along, it's safe for her to come along. She can come along and she's really interesting. People love to see her. The stickbugs, now we can hold these. These are really fascinating for young kids and older people. All we need is a socket to be able to plug in the things. We provide everything that's needed, and the welfare of our animals is the most important thing. We can end any sessions at any stage if any of the animals get stressed out. Our price is €100 per hour, and that includes the setup and the takedown. And if you would like to give us a call or email us at the email address there, or check out our website for more information on